Hi, this is a Creality Scan Bridge, and you can use it for turning your 3D scanner into a wireless 3D scanner. It has a 5000 milliamp hour internal batteries and also equipped with the Wi-Fi 6. So it will stream data from your 3D scanner with a maximum speed of 1200 megabit per second, which is the maximum speed for the Wi-Fi 6. Translate into megabyte per second, it will be somewhere around 150 megabyte per second, but in reality, it's going to be much less than that. I think it will transmit data at a rate of 50 or 60 megabyte per second only. But when you connect your scanner with the USB 3.0 cable, it's going to be much faster than the Wi-Fi. So it can transmit up to 5 gigabit per second, about 5 times faster than the Wi-Fi 6. So when you are using Samsung S1 or the laptops and connect it to the USB 3.0 cable, it's going to scan with a much faster speed, 90 frames per second for the Samsung series and 50 frames per second for the laptop. But when you connect it to the Wi-Fi handle, it's going to drop its speed to 40 frames per second because of the bandwidth. 40 frames per second for laser scanning is acceptable. It's not too slow. You still can have a good tracking performance. But the problem is when you mirror your screen, because you are scanning wirelessly, so you'll be away from your computer. You cannot look at your PC monitor anymore. So you need to cast the screen to your mobile phone. In the Creality Scan 4, they have a mobile screen casting function. But the problem is that you are using only one single Wi-Fi 6 network. So it has to stream both the data from your scanner to your PC and also streaming back the image from your monitor to your mobile phone. So what you are going to see here is the symptom that we call screen lacking. So when you move your scanner at a certain point, it will take a few seconds for the screen on your mobile phone to follow. It makes using the 3D scanner a bit more difficult, especially when you are tracking. This is Creality Scan 4. I'm going to demonstrate the screen lacking on the Creality Scan Bridge. Now I'm connecting it to the Wi-Fi handle. Now I say right here, scanner connected. And next I'm going to connect my mobile phone to the Wi-Fi handle using the same access point. Okay, next I'm going to start the screen casting. Open the Creality Scan app, click on this here, and now it should be ready for the screen casting. Okay, now I'm gonna start the scan. Move to the right, left, right, left, right, left. It's about 2 second delays. Parallel lines, right, left, right, left. It makes you difficult to track when you see things in the past that happened 2 seconds ago. So in a laser mode, it's going to give you a screen lacking when you mirror the screen to your mobile phone. The only mode that works fine is the infrared. It uses much less bandwidth, so there's enough space for the data to transfer back to your mobile phone without lacking. I have already reported this issue to Creality long time ago, but it seems like that they cannot fix it. And I have seen professional 3D scanner, they use dual Wi-Fi adapter. So instead of using just a single Wi-Fi adapter. This is a single Wi-Fi 6. They use two, so the transmitting speed is double. Most of your PC and your laptop come with one single Wi-Fi adapter, but Windows 11, it allows you to have multiple Wi-Fi adapter in a single PC. When you purchase the Scan Bridge, it's going to bundle with this Wi-Fi 6 adapter, but most of you will never use it because your PC already have a Wi-Fi 6. But you can add this to your PC like this. So now your PC will have two Wi-Fi adapter, one here and one there. That's when you click on Setting, Network and Internet, click on Wi-Fi. So now you're going to see two Wi-Fi adapter. This one and this one. This one is the USB Wi-Fi adapter that I just plug in, and this one will be the original Wi-Fi adapter on my PC. The Windows 11 allow you to have multiple Wi-Fi adapter. I'm going to stream the screen mirror to my mobile phone using this Wi-Fi adapter, and I'm going to use the second Wi-Fi adapter for connecting to the Scan Bridge. This will allow me to have double the bandwidth. But Creality Scan 4, it only supports a single Wi-Fi adapter. So you cannot use the integrate screen mirror function from the Creality Scan to mirror the image to your phone. So you need a third-party software. What I recommend you to use is a software called Spacedesk. You need to download the Windows PC version to your PC and turn it on, just like that. And on the phone, your phone has to be in the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. But if you are on the job site, you can turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot on your mobile phone and connect your PC to the phone hotspot. Spacedesk Android version. And I forgot to mention that this software is free. Just tap right here and the screen on your PC will be streamed here. So it's using a different Wi-Fi adapter to stream the image here. This Wi-Fi handle is connect to my PC using the USB Wi-Fi adapter. I just plug in. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this. Left, right, left. See here. It's no more lagging. And you can also use your finger to pan and zoom. Not zoom, just pan. Sometimes I can orbit, but sometimes I cannot. But this one you can tap, finish the scan. You can use your finger to tap. Maybe you now I can orbit the screen. So this will be my workaround for solving the screen lagging issue. It seems like that Creality, they cannot fix it. It's the bandwidth of the Wi-Fi 6 is too narrow for streaming back the image from your PC to the mobile phone. The only way that they can fix this is by upgrading their Wi-Fi bridge handle to have a two access point and bundle with these two USB Wi-Fi 6 adapters so that your PC can make a dual channel communication with the Wi-Fi bridge. Spacedesk software for Android phone is free to use, same as the Windows version. I have tried using other software like Super Display. Super Display can stream with a higher FPS. This one is only 30 frames per second, but it cannot be used with the Wi-Fi hotspot. So you need to have a Wi-Fi router, but with the Spacedesk is required no Wi-Fi router. So you can just connect your PC to your mobile phone hotspot and you just work. Here's my tip for screen mirroring without lagging with the Scan Bridge. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.